In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Microsoft Outlook password. We'll keep this simple and clear, and I'll walk you through exactly where to click so you can update your password with confidence. This guide uses the consumer version of Outlook on the web, so make sure you're using a personal Microsoft account in a browser. It's a good idea to have your current password handy, since Microsoft may ask you to confirm your identity before making changes. First, open your browser and go to outlook.live.com. If you're already signed in, you'll land in your mailbox. If you see a sign-in page, just enter your account and sign in as you normally would. Give the page a moment to fully load so the navigation elements appear at the top. Next, look to the top right corner of the Outlook window and click your profile icon. This is the small circle that shows your photo or your initials. If you don't immediately see it, try maximizing your window or reducing your zoom slightly. It's tucked into the upper right header area. From that profile menu, select My Profile. This takes you out of the mailbox view and into your Microsoft account profile. It may open in the same tab or a new one, and the address you'll see is accountmicrosoft.com. Wait for the profile page to load. You'll notice options related to your account, devices, and security. Now click Change Password. This is the entry point to update your sign-in password. At this stage, Microsoft may ask you to verify your identity for security reasons. This could be by entering your current password again or confirming a code sent to a trusted method on your account. Follow the on-screen prompts as they appear. When you're asked to create your new password, choose something strong and unique. Aim for a longer passphrase that mixes upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid reusing passwords from other sites. A password manager can help you generate and store a secure password you won't need to memorize. After you confirm the new password, let the page finish processing before closing the tab. Once your password is changed, you might be prompted to sign in again in other Microsoft apps and devices that use the same account, like the Outlook desktop app or the mobile app. If something looks a little different on your screen, don't worry, Microsoft occasionally updates the layout. You can always use the search bar on the account page to find Change Password. And that's it. You've successfully navigated from Outlook to your Microsoft account and updated your password safely.